I'm Allison, and I'm here to tell you about the coziest yarn ever, Red Heart Hygge. This is a yarn that perfectly fits into the Danish concept of hygge. You may have heard of it. It's all about coziness, comfort, and warm relationships. Hygge is a feeling of well-being and a simplified lifestyle. We don't have an exact word in English for hygge, but we do have a yarn, plus knit and crochet projects that embody the hygge concept. This special hygge yarn is a bulky weight that's plied with a short fur end. This results in a lovely textured yarn that's wonderful to work with and even better to snuggle up with. It can be knit or crocheted for accessories like hats and scarves. Sweaters made with hygge are perfect for no work, all fun days. Hygge is great for relaxed times, enjoying your friends. And I can't think of anything more relaxing than being in the comfort of home, wearing slouchy slipper socks while sipping a cup of warm tea. Hygge is a bulky number 5 weight yarn that's 70% acrylic and 30% nylon. It comes in 5-ounce, 132-yard balls in these calming, dusty tones. There are so many possibilities with hygge for wearables and home decor. For more information, go to redheart.com.